Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be tying the turban tutorial on my previous makeup video. So if you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So starting off, I'm going to be using the Asooke gele. I'll be placing it on her head on a 50-50 part Asooke. Then I'm going to be pleating that out. I think I'll be making 6 to 7 pleats. Yeah, it's 7 pleats rather. 8. Okay, so I don't know what happened here, but excuse the frame of the video, it's a little bit small. Like everything about this video, even the way I'm recording the voiceover, everything is just somehow. You guys should excuse this, but next time I'll do better. It's just I wasn't in a hurry. I have been packing from my old studio, moving to a new studio, so everything I do is just to I've been busy rather. That's just it. So I'm going to be folding this down and then arranging my pleats perfectly. Want to make sure the pleats are well laid. I told you guys, if your pleats are perfect, then you can do whatever you want to do. This hair tie here, I don't think it's even up to 3 minutes video, but God, you guys should know I was in a hurry. The way I was even tying this turban, I just have to put something out there for you guys. I've been receiving your DMs. You guys do follow how I tie my turbans and all that. So yeah, I just have to keep up. Consistency is what we do here. So I'm going to be bringing one of the hand of the Asooke. I'm going to be pleating that down. Sorry, not pleating, twisting that down. I'll be asking her to help secure the hand, and then I'll twist the other hand too. It's a 50-50 bad gele, so it's both equal hands. I'm going to be twisting that also like this, just to make sure everything is well laid and well perfect. So yeah, I'll just use the office pin to secure the remnants of the turban of the Asooke. That's just it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys should please pardon me. Next video will be a little bit more detailed. That's if I get to be settled in my new place and all that. I'm moving from my old studio to a new studio, so you guys should wish me luck. And I'm going to be sharing everything with you guys later on. So I'll see you guys soon. Let me say soon. Yeah, next week. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. Bye.